I'm gonna show you how I join a set of tracks. This method's worked for me on anything all the way up to, 350 John Deeres and Cat 349, that size machines. This, you get a good strap, and these straps are rated for 6,800 pounds or something, 12,000 pounds. So I'm like way off. Yeah, it's rated for like 12,000 pounds. My crane only lifts 5. You're not gonna break the strap unless you got, big tear or something in it. So really, it's a really nice way to do this. Anyways, I'll show you guys. Normally there'd be seals in there and bushings on a sealed track pin. We're short parts, so we'll just kind of demo this for you guys so you can see what we're doing.
This is how we rigged it to position the track. Position the open end of the track link over the idler.
Oh, I'm really high.
Remove the strap from the crane. Loop the strap under the bushing side of the link and then to the crane. Slowly lift up with the crane. Don't forget to install the bushings and seals. Use zip ties or grease to hold it in place, not your fingers.
And just like that, now she's ready to press. Everybody's probably gonna claim that they invented this trick. I certainly did not, and I'm not taking credit for it, but I think it's cool and I like sharing cool stuff like this. So yeah.